Pororo! Eddy's amazing invention!
What are Pororo and Crong doing on this sunny afternoon?
Okay, be careful. Oh no!
Guys!
Huh?
Hello.
Hi, Eddy.
What's wrong?
These just keep on falling down.
I'll help you then.
Oh, how?
Ta-da! This one will solve everything easily. Look at this.
Huh?
Ha! See?
Wow!
When you press this, everything stops.
Really? Wow!
Try to stretch your hands forward.
Huh?
Watch it. Now it can move.
Wow!
Okay, then shall we set up again?
One more. Finally, we made it! And now... Wow! It's so cool!
I'll show this to our other friends.
We'll come with you.
Guys,
No one's here.
where is everybody?
Huh? Oh?
Oh, watch out! Are you okay?
Oh, yes. Huh? Oh, what is this? Guys! Are you okay? I'm sorry. It's fine.
Wait, what's that? What is this thing?
Amazing!
That was close.
It was dangerous, so I stopped it. Then,
Eddy, thank you. I'm so happy no one got hurt.
it was nothing.
I'll spin it for you. Okay. It's gonna be fun. Ready.
Oh, it's too fast!
I'm so dizzy.
I have to do something. Are you hurt?
What happened? Oh, what's the red light?
Eddy! I stopped it because you all look so dizzy, but it stopped so suddenly. I'm sorry.
That's okay. It's fine. You didn't mean to hurt us. Right.
So shall we do something else?
Eddy decided to fly a kite with his friends.
I'm so late. Oh, they already started. But I think their kites are flying too high. They might fly away. There's no choice.
What's going on?
Oh, are you okay?
The string broke.
Guys!
Oh,
Eddy! I did it. Wasn't I great?
No, not at all. Loopy's kite is gone.
Harry.
Oh, really?
Eddy, please make it move again.
Oh.
Oh no! Oh, my kite! Oh,
It's my fault.
that was my favorite.
Loopy, we can play with a new one.
Sure, let's go and make a kite. Let's go, Crong.
I didn't mean it.
The next day, the friends are racing sleds.
I'm gonna win! We could lose here. Crong, hold on. Eddy, they are very close. Oh, you're right. Puppy, faster!
Okay.
Oh, sorry. I can't lose this race. I'll go first. Oh, they're really fast. Wahoo! We are in first place. I knew it. My sled really is the best. Eddy, hold on.
That was so close. Thanks, Rhodey.
You're welcome. Huh, Eddy, look over there.
Oh! They're gonna crash! We have to get rid of that log!
Okay.
What should we do? It's not moving at all! No! Well, there's no time! We have no choice but to use this.
Oh, what happened?
Guys! Are you okay?
Hold my hands. Thanks. Huh? Eddy, did you use that again?
Oh, well...
Eddy, what were you thinking? That was so dangerous.
I mean...
Eddy, I would like you to stop this.
You guys are harsh to me.
Eddy. Why is he being like that? Guys, look over there.
Huh? There was a huge log in our way.
Eddy stopped your sleds from moving in order to save you. Oh, if Eddy wasn't here, everyone would have been badly hurt. Oh. We have to apologize to Eddy. Let's go. Okay.
Wait, what's that sound? Huh? Guys! Run!
okay?
Eddie, we're fine.
Oh, what a relief.
Loopy! Crong!
Did Eddie stop it?
I'm sorry.
No, thank you for saving us, Eddie.
And I'm sorry for what I said earlier.
We didn't know anything.
Eddie, I'm so sorry.
Guys,
I knew it. Eddie's inventions are the best.
Crong, crong.
is that right? You can call me anytime if you ever need my help.
What? We can't stop his passion.
That's right.
Thanks to Eddy's invention, everyone was safe. What a relief. Good job, Eddy.
Wow, it's Pororo! Hello, Pororo! Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Let's play together. Silly, lovable Pororo. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Let's play together. Pororo, Pororo, Pororo. Pororo, Pororo, Pororo. Always a cheerful best friend. Little penguin Pororo. Cute and playful best friend. Pororo, 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 Pororo. Hiding everywhere, playing hide and seek. It's always fun when you're with your friends. Rock, paper, scissors, and playing tag with friends. When you're with Pororo, everything's always fun. Pororo,